The July 2020 SmartSimple upgrade contains several exciting enhancements. As a result, we have made platform changes to improve the user experience of your system. Let's walk through what you can expect from this upgrade. User experience enhancements. These changes affect all users. User interface. The display and organization of the Actions menu found on Organization, User, and UTA records has changed. Specifically, we organized the Action menu into more intuitive categories to improve the user experience. After the upgrade, there will be 3 new menus called Actions, Tools, and Logs. The items formerly found under the Options menu have also moved. For example, you will now find Configuration Mode under the new Tools menu. We also made the header a little smaller and updated the look of title bars. Currency fields. We have added support for 98 more currencies in the list of available currencies and deprecated the French Canadian dollar. The behavior of the currency selectors has also been modified. For example, on a UTA level 1 such as a grant, the currency standard field now shows the currency code as well as the full name of the currency. Currencies are also now sorted alphabetically, and we added a search to make finding currencies easier. This change affects the display of the field, but the stored values of the currencies remain the same. Passwords. Password and activation settings pages have been updated and reorganized. If you modify your existing password policies and choose Default for password complexity, you will be presented with a new interface that makes it easier to set and read password policies. If you choose to modify your current password policy so you can take advantage of the new default complexity, then your users will get an improved experience with real-time feedback to help them comply with password requirements. Navigation bar. The hierarchical record navigation bar has been added to configuration pages. This navigation bar will give system administrators more context as to where you are in the system, and it gives you quick access to related areas. For example, if I'm working on a Level 1 custom field, I can quickly navigate to the list of Level 1 custom fields, the general UTA settings, or the UTA itself, all with a single click. Portals. We have made several exciting enhancements to portals. First, we've introduced a new portal configuration mode to make editing portals easier. When previewing a portal, you can enable configuration mode in order to make modifications and review the results of your changes directly in preview mode. Simply click on any gear icon to edit that area of the portal. We also improved inline text editing on pre-built templates. There were several enhancements around portal shortcuts. First, you can now control the order of shortcuts within a portal section. Second, you can easily make shortcuts that navigate to other portal sections. Third, you can easily create new records on lists that you've navigated to using a shortcut. And fourth, you can easily see where shortcuts are in use. On portal list views, we also added the ability to search based on a date range. For example, I could filter my list of records to only show records that fall within a specific week, all from a single input. Translations. When you enter translations into areas like the list view, the original values will now be displayed as placeholder text to make entering translations easier. In the Advanced Data Table custom field, you can now define translations on sections. And on sign-up pages, you can now define multiple translations for a single sign-up page. Optional features and enhancements. Display density options. For power users who want to see and work with more information on screen, we have added a new personal setting that gives you the ability to control the display density of information. If you choose the compact display density option, it will reduce the spacing and font size of components on screen. On my screen, with the compact option on, I can see nearly twice as many rows in a list view as I would normally see. Chart colors. We added the ability to define series colors in charts. This makes it easier to define and coordinate the color scheme of your charts in portals and dashboards. For example, I have defined North America as blue, and it appears that color across multiple charts. This ability is available on List View charts. Microsoft Word Parser. Similar to the Excel Parser feature, you can now have clients download, fill in, and upload a templated Word document, and the system will populate custom fields or create records. Title bar navigation. We added the ability to display title bars in a navigational pane on records. If enabled, this pane appears on organizations, users, and UTA records, such as grant applications. The user can click on the desired title bar in the pane to navigate to that section of content. The title bars also highlight as you scroll through the application, so you can easily see where you are in the application. Form Completion Indicator. We added a new form completion indicator, so users can see the percentage of fields they have filled in versus the percentage of fields they have left to fill in. You have granular control over where and when the form completion indicator appears, as well as who will see the indicator. This feature is used with the custom field type of Layout Tabbed Section, and you can also adjust the default weighting of each Layout Tabbed section. If you have more questions, contact us at support@smartsimple.com or call us at 1-866-239-0991. More information about this upgrade can also be found on our wiki. Visit wiki.smartsimple.com.